Riley's Children's Health provides access to pediatric, primary, and specialty care across Indiana. And here to tell us all about their services and care they provide is Morgan Schmitt, the Director of Clinical Operations. Good morning, Morgan.
Good morning.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay, so let's start off by talking about your hospital and really your clinic and the way that you provide services to children all throughout Northeast Indiana.
Sure, absolutely. So Riley Children's Health has a long-standing commitment with the Fort Wayne area. We have been providing care here to children of Fort Wayne and the surrounding areas for the last 20 years. And then in 2018, we actually opened a dedicated pediatric specialty clinic here on Cook Road, and it's right at the corner of Cook and Coldwater.
Okay.
And at that location, we have about 13 different Riley specialty providers that come to that location to see our patients. And that includes services such as neurology, urology, pulmonology, diabetes care. So all of those things are included at our clinic location. And at our location, our staff lives here, they're local, so we have nurses, medical assistants, we have wraparound services such as social work, diabetic educators, I mean, I could keep going, ultrasound techs, all of those things. And so our physicians, though, they are the same Riley physicians that patients and families would see in Indianapolis, and they commute here to Fort Wayne to see patients, so it's easier for our patients and families.
Oh, wow. Okay, so let's talk about that.
Yeah.
Of course, Indy's like an hour and a half away. That is a good commute to do, but I love that. So you make your primary facility available all throughout Indiana, so you're covering from top to bottom.
Yes.
Why did you all make that decision to have your physicians come here to see Fort Wayne patients?
Absolutely. So because there is such a need here in the Fort Wayne area, in 2023, we saw for Fort Wayne, or for Riley specialty care, we saw a little over 14,000 patients for Riley specialty clinics. And of those 14 patients, or 14,000, we were able to service 6,100 of those here in the Fort Wayne area at our Cook Road location.
Yes.
So it's important to us for access. It's important for us to make it easier for patients and families. We know it's a lot of stress to travel to Indianapolis. So that was our goal. We want to bring the care here to the patients that are here in the Fort Wayne area.
Right. And you mentioned some of the specialties, but really you offer about how many different areas of expertise here?
Here, so 13 different specialties. It includes 45 different providers. So we have 45 different Riley providers that come and serve our Fort Wayne clinic.
Yeah. And so how does it work exactly with your location? Is this where people can do walk-ins, appointment only? I mean, what made you all make it so accessible throughout the day?
Yeah, absolutely. So our clinic is open Monday through Friday, 8 to 4:30. And if you want your child to be seen there, you just talk to your primary care provider and get a referral to a Riley specialist.
Okay. Yeah. And so in that part, so people may be wondering like what really differentiates you all from other hospitals or children care facilities, but it is that specialty, right? It's taking it to the next level of care, getting that referral and having experts really come in and focus on the child.
Absolutely. And it's the exact same physicians that you would see in Indianapolis. We are ranked in U.S. News and World Report. So we provide very high level skilled care at our pediatric specialty clinic here in Fort Wayne.
That is awesome. And so as you all are rolling, you say you've been around since 2018. And so what is just the main thing you want for people to walk away with knowing about Riley Children's Health?
Absolutely. I think the main thing is that we are here in Fort Wayne. We are accessible. We want to make it easy for families, and that families don't have to take the burden to have their child seen by one of our highly skilled professionals. They do not have to travel to Indianapolis. We are here in the Fort Wayne area, and we're continuing to grow. We want to keep adding access. We want to keep adding providers, but we are here, and that we want everybody to know that, and please come and see us because we want to make it easy for you.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, thank you so much,
You're
Morgan.
welcome. Thank you.
Pleasure to see you. And if you'd like more information about Riley Children's Health, we'll have their website and phone number listed below, and I'll see you after the break.